Hey everyone, welcome back to Techie Through It. In this video, I am going to show you how you can recover all of your deleted or formatted data on Windows. We'll be using a completely free and powerful tool called TestDisk and PhotoRec. If you accidentally deleted your photos, videos, documents or even formatted the entire drive, don't worry. This tool can bring almost everything back. This tool has one of the highest recovery success rates, almost 98 to 99% in many cases. Right now, I am on my Windows PC and I'll use this pen drive to demonstrate the entire recovery process. Inside this USB, I had 2 videos and a few photos. Imagine that either you deleted the files permanently or you formatted the whole drive by mistake. To show you how the tool works, I'll format this pen drive completely. I'll right click on it, select format, then click start and confirm the action. The format is done, and now the drive is empty. All the files are gone. If something like this has happened to you, this exact method will help you get everything back. Before we start the recovery process, there is one very important thing I want you to remember. The moment your data gets deleted or the drive gets formatted, you must stop using that drive immediately. Do not copy anything new into it. Do not paste anything. Do not store any new files. Because when you add new data, it overwrites the deleted files and makes recovery much harder or even impossible. So as soon as the data is lost, stop using the drive and directly begin the recovery process. To recover the deleted data, first go to the TestDisk and PhotoRec download page. The link is in the description. On the page, you will see different versions for Windows, Mac OS and Linux. Since I am on Windows, I'll download the Windows 64-bit version. The software is very small in size, around 29 MB, so it downloads quickly. Once the file is downloaded, open the folder, right-click on the zip file and extract it. When the extraction is complete, you'll see a folder. Open it. Scroll down until you find a file named photorec_win.exe. This is the data recovery tool. Right-click on it and select Run as Administrator. This will open a simple black command line style window. Inside this window, you will see all the drives connected to your computer. Now you need to select the drive from which the data was deleted. You can identify the drive by looking at its size. My pen drive is 57 GB, so I'll select it and press enter. After selecting the drive, the tool will ask whether you want to scan a specific partition or the entire disk. If you are confused, always choose the first option that scans the whole disk. This allows the software to recover maximum files. Press enter to continue. Next, the tool will ask you about the file system type used on the drive before the data was deleted. Most Windows drives use FAT32 or NTFS, so I'll select the second option and press enter. Now PhotoRec will ask you whether you want to save the recovered files. This is a very important step because you should never save the recovered files on the same drive from which you are trying to recover the data. If you do that, there is a high chance that the deleted data may get overwritten, and once it gets overwritten, it becomes extremely difficult to recover. So always choose a different drive. I am going to use my external SSD. I'll open the SSD and create a folder inside it. I'll name this folder Recovered Data. After creating the folder, I'll go back to PhotoRec. At the moment, you'll see that the C drive is selected by default. To go out of this directory, press the left arrow key on your keyboard. This will take you one step back. Now navigate to the drive where you want to save the recovered files. In my case, it's the F drive. Once I enter the F drive, I can see the recovered data folder that I just created. I'll select this folder and press enter. When you reach the correct destination folder, press the C key on your keyboard. This will start the recovery process. The recovery scan has now begun. You will see the number of recovered files increasing continuously. Depending on the size of your drive and the amount of lost data, the recovery may take a few minutes or even hours. PhotoRec scans the drive deeply, sector by sector, and pulls out as many recoverable files as possible. You don't even need to wait for the entire scan to finish. You can see that it has already recovered 5 images and 2 videos within just a few seconds. Now let's open the folder where you chose to save the recovered data. And here you can see the exact photos and videos that we deleted earlier. If I play the videos, you can see they play perfectly without any problem. The photos also open normally, which confirms that the recovery was successful. These are the same files that were deleted or even formatted before. Now you can simply copy them back to your original drive or store them wherever you prefer. This is how easily you can recover deleted or formatted data on Windows using TestDisk and PhotoRec. If this video helped you, don't forget to like it and subscribe to Techie Druid. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.